Welcome to the quick start guide for the 6690 cold fuse pump by Perma-Patch. In this video, we'll walk you through the assembly, operation, and maintenance of your pump to ensure optimal performance. Before starting, remember to always wear ear, eye, and hand protection. Ensure all fittings and connections are secure and free of leaks. Never exceed the air pressure limit of 120 psi, and always release pressure from the system before loosening any components. To apply 6690 cold fuse effectively, you should have a minimum of a 20-gallon air compressor, a V-shaped asphalt squeegee, and something to clean out the work area. This can be a broom, hand brush, or compressed air. Let's begin with the assembly of the 6690 cold fuse pump. First, apply Teflon tape to seal the threads on the surge tank. Then, hand tighten the surge tank. Next, remove the drum lid using adjustable wrenches or a 15/16" deep well socket. Immediately place the pump unit on top of the barrel, ensuring it's fully seated. Finally, insert the intake plumbing through the lid opening and secure the cam lock fittings. Make sure all connections are tight before proceeding. For optimal performance, use a gas-powered air compressor with a minimum capacity of 20 gallons and 120 psi. A 30-gallon air compressor is recommended. Start by inspecting your equipment for any worn or damaged components. Open the intake valve fully and set the return valve as specified in the product chart. Connect the air hose to the pump, set the pump regulator to 20 to 30 psi, and allow the pump to circulate the product for about 5 minutes. Adjust the pump air regulator and return valve according to the chart in the manual. Place a dispensing wand in a bucket, open the valve, and start the crack sealing operations once the material flows steadily. When not in use, place the wand tip in a 5-gallon pail of water to prevent blockages. After each use, it's crucial to clean the pump to prevent material from hardening inside. You can either use a water hose or a drum of water for cleanup. First, always release pressure from the system before loosening any components. Turn off the compressed air and close all valves. Disconnect the pickup line and clean the plumbing with water. For the water hose method, flush the system until the water runs clear. For the drum of water method, circulate water through the system for 5 to 10 minutes. Always dispose of waste according to local regulations. If you encounter any issues, start by checking the hoses, valves, and connections. Ensure the compressor pump is working correctly and the pump regulator is set to the recommended PSI. If problems persist, inspect the pump's internal components, clean them if necessary, or replace any damaged parts. Thank you for choosing Perma-Patch. For more detailed instructions or to order replacement parts, please contact us at the information provided on the screen. We're here to support you with any questions or concerns.